What if you could stream live prices for Bitcoin, Solana, and Apple, Tesla, and gold, all from one on-chain perpetual futures exchange? That's Phoenix Perpetuals, a fully on-chain perp DEX on Solana built by Ellipsis Labs. It trades crypto majors, meme coins, US equities, commodities, even pre-IPO names, all settled on-chain. Bitquery indexes all of it into 5 data cubes. Today, I'm showing you the two market-level ones, live prices and open interest. Let's dive in. Bitquery breaks Phoenix perps into 5 cubes: prices, market summaries, orders, fills, and positions. Every cube shares the same asset block. That's the market being traded. You filter by asset.symbol, like BTC, SOL, AAPL, or gold, or by the numeric asset.ID. All prices are quoted in PHUSD, Phoenix's USD stablecoin. In this video, we're focusing on the two market data cubes. The next videos cover trades, positions, and PNL. First, let's get live prices with the perpetual prices cube. Each row is one order book tick: best bid, best ask, mark price, and the last trade price. You get best bid, best ask, mark price, and last trade for each tick. 2 quick tips. Last trade is 0 on ticks that weren't caused by a trade, like quote updates or cancels. So filter for last trade greater than 0 if you only want actual trade prints. And sequence number is the venue's ordering counter. Use it to sort ticks within a slot. Now let's turn this into a live stream for just Bitcoin. Filter by symbol, and you've got a live best bid offer feed for any market. Next, the perpetual market summaries cube. Market level state including open interest, the spot index, and fees. This gives you mark price, the spot index it tracks, open interest, and fee counters. 2 important notes here. First, open interest is in the base units of the asset. Second, and this trips people up, maker fees and taker fees are cumulative counters since the market launched. They only ever go up. So to get fees over a time window, take the latest value minus the value at the start. Don't read a single row as per block fees. And comparing mark against spot index gives you the perp premium or discount at any moment. Want a dashboard of every market at once? Use limit buy on the asset ID to grab the latest snapshot per market. 1 row per market, latest state. Perfect for an overview dashboard. That's live prices and open interest on Phoenix Perpetuals, crypto, stocks, and commodities, all on-chain. Next video will cover trades, positions, PNL, and liquidations. All these queries are in the description. Try them free in the Bitquery EDE. Drop a like, subscribe, and let me know which market you're tracking.